We've all seen the recent hype around MoltBot, that magic tool that automates everything for you without you even prompting it. But unfortunately, even though it sounds amazing, there are some security concerns about MoltBot. And if you don't want to become a victim of the cybersecurity attack, or just worried that this independent AI tool will delete your wedding photos, but still want to automate your routine, then watch this video. I will show you the safer alternative, the official Antropic agent called Cowork. Cowork was inspired by Claude Code, because Antropic saw that people who use Claude Code not just using it for coding, but for anything else. They were using it to analyze documents, do the web search, and many other things. So they decided to release Cowork, the Claude Code for the rest of your work, as they say. So is it a future of your productivity, or just another AI tool that everyone will forget about in a few days? Let's find out. Claude Cowork is a new mode on Claude desktop app, and it is now in research preview. Sorry Windows users, but for now it's available only on Mac OS. So what exactly is Cowork? Standard Claude is a chatbot. You ask and it replies. And Claude Code is for developers. It lives in terminal. And the Claude Cowork is an agent. Unlike the normal chatbot, you don't have to copy-paste text back and forth. Claude Cowork has permission to access your file system. You point it at a folder and it can read, edit, move and create files there autonomously. But there is one safety guardrail. It cannot delete your files. So if you want it to delete something for you, unfortunately it's not gonna work. You will have to go and delete it yourself. So now let's test it out. First you will need to download Claude desktop app if you don't have it installed. And once you run it, switch to the Cowork tab. The interface is simple. It looks almost the same as normal Claude chatbot. But notice this little button in the bottom. You have explicitly give Claude a folder where it's allowed to work in. This folder will act as a sandbox. Claude can't touch anything outside of this folder. It's important for the security because you don't want AI to hallucinate and do something unexpected in your root directory. And once you selected the folder, you can tell Claude what to do and it will first make a plan. And then if you are happy with it, you can give Claude a green light to actually implement it. There are many things Claude Cowork can help you with, but let's take a look at few of them and start with the classic one, file organization. I will tell Claude to organize my folder with YouTube videos. Right now it is a mess. And it will go and scan the folder first and will suggest me a new structure. I can make adjustments if needed or just tell Claude to proceed. And voila, the boring work is done in few minutes. And it could be any kind of files, for example, a photo dump from your phone. You can ask Cowork to organize photos by locations, years and months, or whatever else structure you prefer. And Claude will do it for you, so you don't have to go through thousands of photos manually. It can also help you to clean your hard drive. Even though it cannot delete your files, you can still ask it to help you find the ones that should be deleted. So what I usually do is just asking Claude to find a large files, for example, larger than 1 GB, and sort them from the oldest to newest. This way I can easily find some long forgotten videos that I don't need anymore and free up space quickly. And before I used to do something similar in terminal using different commands. Now I don't have to bother search for these commands or remember them. Claude can handle it all for me and it is much more convenient this way. And of course, Claude is not only able to move files around, it can also analyze them and create new ones. And now I will ask Claude to analyze my monthly shopping receipts and create a list for my weekly grocery shopping to make sure I don't forget anything next time I go to shops. All I need to do is to save the receipts in one folder and give Claude access to it. And then I'm just giving Claude a simple prompt to analyze the receipts and create an Excel table with the shopping list. And the most amazing thing is that Claude not just made a list for me, it also added the prices. So now I know exactly how much I'm going to spend, if the prices won't rise next week, of course. And that's it for today. That's just a few ways to use Claude Cowork. And if you have any other ideas and workflows, then share them in the comments below the video. And if this video was useful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.